Hey guys, I'll be showing you how to install .NET onto your server today. There's two ways you could download it. You can download it from our Zesty tool, or you can download it from right here. I'll be showing you both ways. If you want to download from the Zesty tool, make sure the Zesty tool is updated. Click in here, make sure you run it and install it as administrator. I have it right here, run as administrator. Once it's done loading up, go to download tools and it should pop up right here. Click any one you want, download and install. Install. Once we're done with that, I can show you how to install it from the links right here. Go ahead and open which one you want to download. Make sure to download the desktop runtime version right here, 64. Then it should pop up right here. Same thing with .NET 6.0. Same place right here. Make sure you download Windows 64. And that's all. And it should come up like this right here.